Hey everyone, it's Chuck's back again. Got this set up to put out 7.5 volts from the 5 volt rail. It'll also do it from the 3 volt rail. I've just got to go and get another one of these in green and put it on, and that's probably what I'll be running it off in the end. Now if I tried to run it off the 12 volt rail, which is the other rail, it will never reach 7 volts. So it's now at 12 volts. That's the lowest that it will go. That is what it's actually reading from the input to the output. And if you adjust the pot, you'll get 30 volts. So you definitely have to go off the 5 volt rail. What else is happening around the shed? Well, I've got some parts in which Brett would have listed on his web page. So I've got my SD card readers. I've got 2 of those. I'm going to have to change them, I'd say, and that'll have to be soldered. And I've also got, oh, that's not it. I've also got the nicks. So I need to change those as well, because that nick will have to come underneath it to plug in, I think. Unless it goes that way, and I don't think it's got enough room for it. So that'll be my next job. I might actually leave that voltage meter on there so I know what voltage I'm going to have all the time, and then I'll probably just wire that straight in, and that'll go straight to the board, and I will put a fusible link from the 5 volt line with a 10 amp fuse going into the main board. I'm just still waiting on a couple of parts. I've got some more today, and I'm sorry to say so much because my wife told me off about it today. I've got these. I was looking for the female version. They sent me the male version, but the female version should be on their way, hopefully. And I've got a lot of nuts and bolts which come in handy when you're doing it. I've been using a lot of 3mm for the project, and I got a lot of these. They were really cheap compared to in town. I looked in town to buy them, and I would have been looking at about $5 for one of these, and for a heap of these I got them for about $4 for a heap. So cheaper to go overseas than to get it in your own country. That's pretty sad, really. Nothing else really happening at the moment. I'm still trying to work on my spot welder, trying to work out a way of getting my timing circuits. If you are good at Arduino coding, please leave me a message below. I really need a little bit of help. Anyway, that's it from me for the day, and that's only a quickie to see what's going on in the soldering area. But we're not far away from finishing this first project. I'm hoping that we'll have it finished in the next week or so. I'm not being able to get any batteries. I've had a lot of hard work getting batteries because the local guy that I get it off seems to want to give them to some young guy that's building one as well, and I never get the chance of grabbing batteries. So anyway, that's it for me for the day. Alright, catch you around. Bye bye.